How to change your name on Threads. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to change your name on Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to Threads right here. And from in there you can see your home page. So what you need to do is just head over to your profile page just by clicking this button right here in the bottom that has a people in it. So click on that button and it will redirect you to your profile page. So in order to change your name, what you need to do is just click on edit profile right here, and from in there you can see your name. As you can see, it has been locked because it will only be changed if you already changed it on Instagram. So as you can see, your name, username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. So in order to change it, you need to head over to your Instagram right here and then click on your profile icon and get on the bottom right here. And from in there you can see your profile page. Just click edit profile again, and then let's try to change our name right here. So let's make it Tiara, and then click on this because you can only check your name twice within 14 days, so make sure that you have spelled it right. So just click on this check right here, then click on check again, and as you can see, it has loaded us into this name right here. So let's head over to Threads again, and then let's accept this first, and then let's refresh, and as you can see, the name has been changed. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change your name on Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.